I'm going to test to see whether the valve that I've got from this old tap can be used to repair a dripping tap in my customer's house. Now it's given me permission to do this. I'm using an old valve and see if I can fix it up and then put it into his downstairs toilet. So what I found out here is I could not get the valve off, and so even though this is an old tap, I was pretty sure that I wouldn't be able to damage it that much. I'm not using that tap anyway. Now to clean it out, I'm using citric acid, 2 tablespoonful, and using hot water, boiling water nearly, to clean up all the bits of the valve. Now I gave it about 15 minutes or so, and suddenly it was very clean. Now I wanted to check the O-rings, and so I took it apart and generally cleaned up the O-rings, hopefully to make sure they work. And I put it back together. Now I can't fully check it until I've actually put it into the tap. Now after that, when I know and fixed that up, I then turned off the water supply to the tap that I'm going to replace. I took off the plastic cup and took off the valve. Keep everything in its place. Hold the tap if you need to stop it from moving. I'm just giving it a general clean up here, and I'm checking the inside as well. Now I did check to make sure that the original one that came out is the same as the one I got from my workshop area. So I've checked all that out. I put the water back, turned the water back on, and it works. Thank you for watching, and if you got value from this, then please share, like and subscribe. And you can see more of my DIY videos just by clicking on my channel.